These are quick directions for my thinking of something games. This is using the camp out version, but you can then use the same for any of my thinking of something games. On the first slide, there are levels, and you'll notice that each level has an amount of clues. So I'm going to show you beginner level to start. It says it has 3 clues. Once they click an item, you'll notice it says, I'm thinking of something that begins with. So the clue that they hear is the first 3 beats of the pattern.
Do, day, do, day.
So the student memorizes do, day. They hear the pattern to decode.
Bop, 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 bop.
They try to decode it. Notice it starts with do, day, do. So really, if they actually can memorize it, which is part of musical aptitude, they really only have to decode 1 beat and they can kind of almost guess. So that's the beginner correct, brings them back, and they have other patterns to decode.
Do, day.
If they get all the patterns correct, they can move on to the next level, which has 2 clues. It's virtually the same, except there now is only 2 beats given. The final level of hard will always have 0 clues. So they can work their way through the game. Otherwise, with my students, a lot of times I start them at the normal level because they're normally ready. Again, this is the camp out version, but if you have Build a Sleigh or one of my other versions, Fall is Here, it all works the same. The clues are the first beats of the pattern.